I came up with an amazing video idea. Please let me know if it's something that you would want to see. Basically, I was thinking I could do it where every single day I film a video of me getting ready for work, right? Listen, but every single day I have to use a whole different set of makeup products. So say if I use a foundation, say if I use like what I use today, for instance, like my Rimmel foundation, my MAC bronzer, my doll highlighter, the next day I can't use any of the same products. So it's like shopping your stash, like what we used to do like in the old days of YouTube, but then also a tutorial for like every single day. So like 5 days, like 5 tutorials. Is that a cool idea? Please give it a thumbs up if you think it is. I'm really excited, really excited to do it. So this is the name that I came up with. It literally just came to me last night. So Shop My Stash challenge week edition. So using different makeup products every day for a week, and you can't repeat the makeup products. The only thing that I will exclude, what I was thinking last night, like what, it's just going to be ridiculous for me to use a different one of every time. And it's just going to be a waste. It's probably mascara and brow gel. I don't think I'd pick a different one because I'm not opening loads of different ones for that, because it's just a waste. So I think it'll be mascara, brow gel and brushes are the only thing that I can repeat. So yeah, let me know down below if that's something that you're interested in, because I think it'd be awesome. Hello again. It is 9:30. I was at the nail appointment for ages. I ended up going in like 20 minutes late because she was running over, so just like sat in my car for a little bit and just chilled and watched some videos. I'm currently loading up my computer and I'm watching Jamie Genevieve's new full face of First Impressions. Absolutely love Jamie. I literally sit and refresh on a Sunday waiting for her vlog to go up because I just love her and Jack. I just think they're like the cutest little things ever. So yeah, I've got my nails done and I absolutely love them. So I've gone for a completely different shape because I said to her my nails at the moment, like the square was like making them look really fat and frumpy, and I just didn't like it at all. So we changed it to like more of like a pointy, a little bit curved kind of look instead. And then I've got some like pressed foil on top of gold and a pink, and then my little pinky has a gold stud on it as well, and I just love it. It was actually Kelly at work who gave me the idea of going for a dark purple, and then Kirsty said about putting foil on. Kelly told me about what colour foil to go for, so thank you so much. I absolutely love my nails. And thank you so much to Marta for doing them for me. Marta is so affordable. She works from the Stag House on Linthorpe Road in Middlesbrough. So I got an infill and obviously got these done, foil and 2 little gems on my pinkies, and it only cost £22, and she's absolutely amazing. She said to me I'd be like her little therapist tonight for her, so normally she's my little therapist, so I've been her little therapist in return today. And she said to me that I look like I've lost weight as well, which I will take that compliment any time of the day. Thank you very much. So what I'm going to do now is edit Tuesday's video, yesterday's vlog that I filmed, because by the time that you're watching this you've already saw it, hopefully. I'll leave it linked down below in case you haven't, but I haven't had a chance to edit it because I was out with Amber so late last night. More information in the other video. Tomorrow I don't know how much I'm going to vlog because that's when I have my first telephone assessment for my therapy. Well, starting off with me getting into therapy, so I don't really know how that's going to go or what's going to happen, but I'm excited. I can't believe how, I feel like my cheeks have just gone really far in, like I've lost weight here, and I just keep like catching a glimpse of myself. I'm like, oh actually yeah, I can really see the definition. And I put on Twitter today that I can tell that I've lost weight in my thighs because they don't rub in certain places anymore when I'm walking, like there's like a little tiny gap there, so I can't feel them rubbing as much. I'm like, oh right there, where's my little rubby rub gone? So I can tell that my thighs have got a little bit smaller as well. But today I've ate so bad, and I can tell because my stomach's absolutely killing me. My stomach acid is starting to come back again. And my body's just like, get it all out, get all this badness out. And I've left my sweeteners at work, and I really fancy a cup of tea, and we have no sugar and no sweetener, so it just tastes rank. So I might go have, ooh, I might have a, what's it called? I might have a caramel latte in my mum's little coffee machine. If you saw my tweet, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I love my mum's coffee machine, and I don't even like strong coffee. It's only really been like the past year that I've even tried coffee. Look at this, like look at that definition. Sorry, I know like I'm totally just being like self-absorbed right now, but I'm just, ooh, your girl's getting slim, your girl's getting slim, girl's getting slim. So yeah, I might go get myself a coffee and then get myself filming, no, get myself editing. So I'm admiring myself too much to even focus on what the friggin' hell I'm saying. Hopefully tonight I can actually go to bed and read my book, because like last night I just completely crashed out before I even had a chance to read any of it. So but yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope I see you in my next vlog. I love you very much. I need to stop looking at myself and looking at my little cheek definition. Yeah, thank you so much. If you're enjoying these small YouTuber vlogs, then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and turn on the notification, because I'm just going to be randomly uploading now and just going with the flow. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.